to Verda's Funhouse.
You can find us on Instagram and TikTok. Please subscribe and hit that bell to be notified of new videos. Hello, Raindrops. I am in Momo City, and they now have Quest 2 available. Before we start, I wanted to share with you what they posted on X. So here are the rewards. Quest 1 gives the Cinderella shoe couch. Quest 2, the Cinderella Blue Jay mirror. Quest 3, the Cinderella lamp and carriage ornament. Quest 4, the Cinderella ottoman. Quest 5, the Cinderella bar stool. And if you complete all of them, you will get the pumpkin furniture set. So let's go ahead and start that. First, we're going to go by and do our votes. So we do know that there are 3 more quests coming for this event, which makes me super excited to get to do more. I'm going to go down here and vote for Bubbles. I'm going to go ahead and vote all 3 of my votes for Bubbles. Right, there we go. Okay, so then we just run up here and you can see they have 2 new NPCs, Star and Serenity, and look at how detailed they are once again. Their models are absolutely amazing. So beautiful. I love the makeup and the styling. All right, so let's hit E, and it says make a dress for Cinderella. So we need to click that. I did already do this on my main character. It says, help me make a dress for tonight. We need to help get it ready. So we need to go to the door to start the quest. But I wanted to re-record because I didn't know how to get the quest text off of my screen. And so it was on my screen for most of what I did before. So I wanted to make sure I show you how to do that. And I also had a bug that I wanted to show you as well. So hit E on the door. Says stepmother insisted for me to find something to wear to the ball. If I finish, blah, 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 the strike of blank, the spell would be broken. You see on the birds at the top, obviously the strike of 12 or midnight. So we need to follow this red line here to go all the way across. Okay, hit E. Now we need to look for 12 blue and 7 red buttons in the maze. They are scattered along the floor. To remove this big screen, push this little bitty button there that you see. That is what I had missed before. So let's grab our first red button here and our blue button back here. This section is pretty easy. You just follow along the walls. There's one right here, a blue one. Let's go back here and grab the red one. Okay, let's continue on this path here. Here's another red one. So we have 5 so far. Let's go back the way we came. And then follow the path to the right. Here's another blue one. Let's grab that. That's 6. Let's go to the right and grab this red one. That's 7. Turn right. Go straight and let's grab the blue one. That's 8. Follow this little path. Here's another blue one. That's 9. Okay, go back the way we came. And we're going to continue straight and then turn left. Here's a red and a blue one. There's 10 and 11. Okay, let's go ahead and head straight back here. Here's another blue. There's 12. Here's another blue one, 13. And another blue one for 14. Let's go back here. Here's another blue one for 15. Another blue one for 16. So now we need to go back the way we came and go down this last little section. So we're going to turn right at this little path and then turn right again. Here's number 17. And then look on this path, there's 18 and then 19. So now we're just going to head back to the left, turn left again, and go straight all the way to the end. And then here is our end. So hit E on the door, and now we head to the next section. So this one we have to pick up fabrics on the floor. Some of them do blend in with the objects they're on, so make sure you're paying close attention. There are 12 of them that we need to pick up. I did have where I couldn't pick or find the E on some of them, so make sure you're just looking for the fabric and pushing E. The E doesn't always show up. So there's none right here on this first couch. None right here on the second couch. There's one right here on the cushion, so push E, there's number 1. Okay, there's none right here. So right here on this couch, beside it is number 2. And behind it is number 3. And up here on this pillar is number 4. See, that really blends in. And there's one over here in the corner. And that's number 5. There are only 5 at the bottom here, so you don't have to keep searching. The rest are up in the obby, so yay, obbies! This is definitely much easier to do without the big quest text on there. I didn't figure that out until after the obby of how to remove that. So we're going to head up and jump on the makeup brushes or the brooms, whichever you want to say these are. Here's our 6th one right there. All right, so now these do disappear if you don't jump on the right one. So make sure you follow my path. So it's right, left, left, right, left. You do have to jump here to get this one though. Let's jump over and grab it and then go back here and start again. Jump back up. I didn't do so well on the obby for some reason on this character. I remember it's right, left, left, right, left. I did okay on my Burgess Funhouse character, but for some reason I struggled on this one. Okay, now let's hop up here. We see another piece of fabric up here. Let's go grab number 8. There we go. And continue following here as we jump. Almost there. Okay, there's a piece of fabric over here by the light. There's number 9. Okay, so it just randomly teleported me back to this room for some reason. And it says that I have 0 out of 12. However, when I grabbed the next one, it started back over at 10, so we're all good. In the craziness, I forgot to hit the record button, so thankfully I had recorded this to begin with, so you'll see when we get over here. Here is number 10. There we go. Let's continue on across. So again, if it teleports you, don't worry. You can just go and grab the next fabric or whatever piece you're on, and it'll continue. All right, there's number 11 on the pumpkin. And here we go, number 12 right here. So now we can teleport to the next area. It says we finally made it. Now we need to assemble the dress. It says the instructions are on the table to the left, which is the left of I don't know, it's not really the left of the mannequin, but it's technically the right when you enter the room. So if you click that piece of paper, it will give you the instruction. Everything is on the table and it won't let you grab it out of order. So you just walk up to the table, push E, walk to the mannequin, push E, and repeat until you have the badge pop up in the bottom right hand corner, and that is how you complete the quest. Not too bad. It's like I said, everything's right there for you. You don't have to worry about getting anything from any other tables. You just go to that table, push E, and keep repeating until the badge pops up. So that is how you do Quest 2 in Momo City. Don't forget to vote each week so that you can get the final prize at the end. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know if this helps in the comments. Please subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye, Raindrops.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.